Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the AC clutch, the AC compressor clutch on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if your AC doesn't work. And after that, of course, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, fuses and relays for the AC clutch, and also known as AC compressor clutch, come to show you where you can find them on that generation Mercedes GLC. We'll be working in 3 different fuse boxes. The first one that we need to do, guys, we need to open the driver door on the side of the dash. We have one cover right here that you can pry open, and behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses. Starting on top, that's fuse 200, then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 207. That 15 amp fuse here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse 209, very important fuse as well. We are not done, guys, we're coming to the inside now. On the passenger side, in the footwell compartment, on the A pillar, you have a plastic trim that you need to open, and behind it you have another fuse box. Here you may have fuse 311, some models will have that fuse. If you don't have it, that's okay. You will need to check fuse MF2 and MF3. Each one of these fuses is 6 individual 5 amp fuses built in one big fuse box. You will have in each of these fuses for the AC system that you will, guys, need to check as well. And we're not done. If you come here or remove the glove box, on the left side, deep inside the dash, you will see the body pre-fuse box. This is one of them. You have 2 pre-fuse boxes. One is for the engine, one's for the body. If you open it, you see inside you have multiple mega fuses here, and specifically here we need to check fuse number 3. Now, you don't have relay. The relay function is controlled by the module practically, but guys, if you have problems where air conditioner does not work, AC blows hot air, we have special video on the channel that will explain how to diagnose that, what we see quite often in the garage, top 10 things, and how to fix it as well. Check it out, it will be on our YouTube channel. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.